Listening to one song, you can earn $15. Listening to 10 songs, you can earn up to $150, and so on. This app is available in almost all countries around the world and absolutely free to use to make money online. And you can even earn up to $1,400 just by listening to songs online. So like the video, and let's start with the first app on our list, called RadioEarn.com. This is the least paying app on our list, and as we move on in the video, the earning per song will keep increasing. So this is the website that pays you to listen to radio music. You can sign up here for completely free and start the radio, or just use their API. And then, you can earn a payout every 15 minutes in the form of points, which you can exchange for real money. So, the points will be converted to US dollars at the following month, and some people have reportedly been earning $3 to $4 per song they listen to on radio with this free website. But again, in my opinion, this is the least paying website, and they are also not accepting everyone. This website is worldwide available, but you would have to wait to get approved, and sometimes, there's not different opportunities to actually make money from it. So let's move to the second website on our list, which is one of the highest paying websites when it comes to completing different survey offers, getting paid to watch YouTube videos, search Google, and listening to music on Spotify, etc. The name of this website is cashstars.com. And this is the website where you can listen to music from Spotify and get paid anywhere from $2.50 to $5 per song you listen to. Now, even though this website is available worldwide and it is the highest paying website when it comes to these different tasks, it's not available for everyone. So, you will have to actually apply to this website and put on a priority wait list by entering your name and email address and then click on join a priority wait list. And then, you will receive an email after one or few months to create an account just then. And when you create an account, you will have many different offers to make money online with it, including the ones watching YouTube videos, playing video games, retweeting tweets, browsing Google, and listening to music. Each song you listen to will pay you anywhere from $2 to $5, and the reason they're paying you is because they're just splitting the ad revenue with you. So, advertisers would put ads around those songs, and when you listen to them, you will hear some ads playing as well. So, they're just splitting the ad revenue with you that they earn by charging from different artists and different people who are actually making those songs. They're charging them to have people listen to them and give them feedback and advice on how to improve the songs in the future. Now, let's go to the third website on our list where you can get paid to listen to music, is called musicgateway.com. And this is the website where you can review songs that other people made, give them your honest advice and feedback, and then you will get paid for that. And you can get paid anywhere from a few cents all the way to a few dollars per song you listen to and review. So basically, they will send you a song, you will listen to the song, and then you will give your honest opinion or feedback about the song. And as you can see here, curators can earn up to £800 a month, which is about $1,000 a month using their submission tool. So basically, the submission tool is where people come submit their songs and you listen to them. And then again, you give your honest opinion or feedback, what you just genuinely think about the song. So, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and click where it says curators. It will take you to the next page. You need to scroll down a little bit again. And here, you can find the Apply Now button. And you can become a curator by pressing this button. And then, just enter some basic details about yourself on this page and click submit to complete your registration. Now, the fourth website on our list where you can get paid to listen to music is earnably.com. On this website, you can complete different tasks and offers, amongst which getting paid to listen to music is one of them. And this website is available in every country around the world. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, you would have to sign up on their website by either connecting your Google account, Facebook account, or PayPal account. Once you create your account on this platform, you can go over to the Explore section over here, and you can find different offers that you can complete and collect points for each offer you completed. And then, you can exchange those points for real cash using the redeem section over here. So, if you go to the redeem section, you can see that 30,000 points are equal to $3 on PayPal. And reportedly, some people have been making $5 per song they listen to and per video they watch on Earnably. So if you want, you can also watch the videos by going over to the left-hand side and by pressing the videos option from here. So, let's move to the fifth app on our list, which is available for both the App Store and the Google Play Store. This app is called as Current.us, and it's available for both iOS and Android. For Google Play Store, you would have to search for Mode Earn app. And for the App Store, you would search for the current app. So they have different names and different Play Stores, but either way, you can play music and earn up to $600 per year, literally just by listening to songs. As you can see, you can search and play from 100,000 different radio stations available on current app. So, you can even select which music you like to listen. And this is probably something you are already doing on a daily basis. And now, you can also get paid $600 a year just by listening to different songs you like for absolutely free. You will get points for listening to each radio station songs, which you can later exchange for either different services and products or for real cash. The only downside with this free app is that, at the moment, it is available only in the US. So, if you're outside of the US, here are more options. So, let's move on to the sixth website, which is one of the highest paying website. But it's also a little bit more complicated, so pay close attention. The name of this website is playlistpush.com. And on this website, you can get paid in two ways. You can either get paid for listening to the music and reviewing them, or you can get paid to promote someone's music that you like by using sounds of that music in your videos. So, they will submit their music, you will listen to it, and if you like it, you can then start promoting that music across your social media accounts for them. Whether that's going to be making TikToks, whether that's going to be posting it on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platforms. They just need as many people posting about their new songs. But if you want to get paid listening to those songs and reviewing them only, then you can get paid for that as well. However you want to get paid, you just need to hover your mouse on Creator Sign Up and sign up as a playlist curator or as a TikTok creators. As a playlist curators, you will make money from your playlist, which means you will get paid to listen to the music and reviewing them. And if you like any music, you can consider adding it to one of your playlist. And as you can see, you can get paid up to $15 per song you listen and review from playlistpush.com. And they also have instant payouts, so you don't have to wait to get approved and you don't have to wait to receive your money. Now, as a TikTok creator, you make money by using the music sounds in your TikTok videos. So, you get paid to create the TikTok videos using the music sounds of different artists from the playlistpush.com. And as you can see, you can get paid up to $250 per video you create using sounds from this platform. All you have to do is join the playlistpush.com, browse the available sounds on the platform, create videos using those sounds, post them to your TikTok account, and get paid fast money from playlistpush.com because they pay instant payments directly to your bank account. And again, if you just want to make money listening to songs, you can use the creator playlist option and you can get paid up to $15 per song you listen to. And if you use the different websites and apps shown in this video that are available in your country, you can easily earn over $1,400. But if you want to create a sustainable online income stream, then you can use the premium courses on Instagram theme page business, TikTok theme page business, and YouTube automation that I have shared with you in this giveaway video for completely free. But be fast because I will close the giveaway on 31st December 2023. Thanks for watching.